Hello, welcome back to second part of the same topic, that is decimal multiplication. In this second part, we will solve one more question based on the same topic, okay? And we will make our understanding more clear. So question is, Tim is running on a treadmill which is set to 6.4 miles per hour. So speed of the treadmill is given, which is 6.4 miles per hour, and they're asking how much distance will he be able to cover in 5 hours. So they are asking about the distance. Okay, let's start. So we know what is the formula of distance. Distance is speed times given time period, right? So we will use this formula. We know if we have to find distance, we need to write the speed. So given speed is 6.4 miles per hour multiplied with time, and time is 5 hours. Okay, so by this way we can find the distance. Now you know the same problem, that is we have a decimal here, so we will solve it step by step. So step 1, we will remove the decimal and it will become 64 times 5, right? So step 2, we will find this product. We will multiply 64 with 5 and we will get 5 times 4, 20, 6 times 5, 30, and 30 plus 2, 32. You can say 6 times 5 or 5 times 6, same thing. Okay, now step 3, we have to add our decimal again. So our number is 320, but we can say we have one digit after decimal in our question, so we will have one digit after the decimal in the final answer also, right? So where will you put the decimal? One digit and here decimal. So our final answer is 32 miles. That means 32 miles will be the total distance Tim will cover. Clear? I hope you are clear with this question also. Now we will meet in the third part with a different question. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.